Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, after we already make a data dummy and pagination, and next we will make the resource, create resource. When you click in this page, when you click this create, so we can go to in this help page, in this page. So after in the first we're gonna do is make a direct make a file that create JXX in the pages resource JX, and go to the folder page and create the file name create JX with the capital C. And after that, the first you must make the syntax export default function create. After that, you open your terminal and you can see here get head post create post controller create. So you open post controller, scroll and find the public function create and click return inertia create in here. After that, go to the layout JXX for the root. You add this slash post and slash create to send. When you click the create, so you send in, the user will send into the create page. And after that, you go to the create JXX again. The first, you can ignore this one and this one. You can ignore this one and this one. Okay, ignore it. The first I make is h1 class. You can use class title for make this paragraph is with like a big size and in the middle of the page, or this in the center, and you can ignore it again. And after that, you can make the div for text area and button, and for form action. And the class for the div is width about a half, and margin left and right auto. For the text area, we use row 10 for make this one. Is it's the okay, maybe it's error because what? Okay, the button, primary button, and margin top for with the name create post. But wait a minute, there's a error here. Okay, it's error. Let's check what happened. You can ask to the ChatGPT if it is error. You can copy Control Alt, Control A to choose all the coder, and Control C for copy, and you can paste in the ChatGPT to ask what happened. Okay, you can copy this full. Okay, just copy. Let's check what will happen. Is there the processing error body? ChatGPT already made it. Wow, it's amazing. So this is the text area. This is the button for create post, and this is the h1 that I show you in here. H1, where's H1? This one. Okay, next to you all click right your mouse and click inspect. And I forgot console, not this console, and I forgot, let's click. Oh no, it's not in console, but in the you open the website form Inertia.js official, and you can see here I choose the form helper, and you can see in here for form submit and use form Inertia.js and return. Oh, there's my return here. I forgot what syntax for show something maybe in the console, but it's error. Okay, maybe I can undo this one and inspect for the console. Something is error. Okay, wait a minute. Search again. What I can select user form where I send console 2 times. No. Okay, maybe I will I will resolve the problem before we continue the video. Okay everyone, I already solved with my friend ChatGPT, and as you can see in here it will show like this. And open form Inertia.js again and scroll, and as you can see in here in the cons data, set data, post processing and errors, and use form for what you want to add into your data. And after that, as you can see in here, there's a get URL option, was put page and destroy. As you can see in the as you can see in my terminal test code in here, get put delete, and there's a page to. Okay, as you can see in here, it's already like this. So okay, next to the let's continue the video next. Okay everyone, let's next the video. Let's remake, but open the VS Code and go to the create.jsx, and here I change from user to or load data. I change it with function submit a, and a prevent default and post, and directory to slash post, and its root and slash post. And we can see in here if we want to make post, where is it, get post and store post controller store, and open your post controller, and you can see in the store I change its request $request. In the previous there are store request gitu, so I just change it, just use the request $request, and scroll down, and there's will a public function update. Change it to request $request. And after that, we don't need the folder request here again, because we only just use request $request and request the request for updates. So you can delete this folder. Okay, so you can delete this folder. Okay, maybe that's all. Maybe I will pause again in this video because still it's probably learning again. Okay everyone, let's continue again. And I will make this diagram. I will check what will happen if we use I will write bocha and create. As you can see in here, contain body bocha, and there is the post here, the method is post, and the request. Let's check it out, and the parameter one and body bocha. So it's already work. After that, you can delete the data request, and I'll make it before I just active this comment tag. Request validate and body must be required. And go to the create JSX, and we make console log errors for the errors. Okay, let's check again. To the create new post, inspect, and search for console object. What the hell happened? Okay, when I click create post, there's an error. The body field is required, so it must be you will make this paragraph or this your word in here and just create. Let's take page bocha again and create. So it already worked. As you can see here, there is no error stage about bocha, just it's still not come to our database because we still not make it to be made. So let's continue again. Okay everyone, let's continue our assignment, and you can see in here const data, set data, and post in this post in here, and data that I will already have in here. Data, I know it's not the data. So the next an error, I made a console log errors, and you can scroll again, and we make an errors body, and twice, and p paragraph class name errors error body. So it will show that if we don't fill the text area that's already required, so the errors will be appear with the with the right with the warning like red color or error body, and it will show the text area will become the line, the outside line of the text area will become red. So you can see in the here and like this, and the text area is required, so you must fill something in inside here. So when we just send it, it will error, and you can see here the line of the text area will become red, and there's a warning the body field is required. And this is how you can do for showing the red line ring red 500, and the error body class name error with show error body. And the next is for processing. We use in the button disable processing. For processing we use button for processing. And next open to post controller again. Use sleep second for the time you send your maybe your article to text area to our data, so it will take 2 seconds. And we use a dollar fields in here, and after that require a request validate. After that post create field, that's already we can include in here body, and return redirect to our master page. Okay, just we can add something in here. Learning inertia and react XJS. We can create post, and the data will save in the home page, and we return redirect to home page. Okay, maybe that's all about this video. I can show you. I'm sorry if there's a wrong for from my explanation. Okay, maybe that's all. See you in the next vlog.